Hey guys, so here's a quick way to use the repair request generator. So when you have the report open here on your desktop, if you go up to the upper right hand corner, you'll see this report tools drop down. If you go to the bottom, you'll see repair request builder with the wrench icon. Click on that. That will basically make the report now anything that was a deficiency, as you scroll down through it, or an issue or anything needing repair, will now be having a check box with a green circle around it. So if you click on something, that will add that to your repair request addendum. So for instance, here, pool pump is leaking. We want a GFCI installed on the pump. We want the pool light fixed. So we'll just work with those three things right here. Now, if you want to request a dollar credit instead of a repair, if you highlight this credit button and enter an amount, you'll see there that now that's a credit item. You also have the ability to add comments to this as well. So if you want, let's say we don't want the credit here, we want this actually fixed. If you want this fixed by a pool repair company, you can, type in pool repair company, to do work. We'll just leave it like this for right now. And then that will be on your repair addendum. When you're done, you can preview it by clicking preview. If you want, we'll create the repair addendum. So when you hit create, it gives you the link to it. So you can open that up in a new tab by clicking it right there. You can email it or text it to the other agent or other party by clicking one of these two boxes here. This will be your web view of the repair request addendum generator, and then you can always view it as a PDF right here. And then when you can download that, you can email that, you can save it with your files or whatever you want to do. So you can see here's our text that we put pool repair company, to repair pool pump or whatever. So it's literally that simple, and you can always go back in just because you did it. If you close out of this thing, you can always go back in and make changes to this. So if you just go back into repair request builder, um, it'll save what you've already done. So if you want to add stuff at a later time or whatever, that's a possibility, or remove things as well. So it's not just a one-time thing; it's static, and you can do whatever you need to in real time with it. So it's really convenient.